Good morning, time check. It is 6:04 a.m. and today we're off to the airport after almost a year of no flying. So come join us as we fly from Auckland to Christchurch. Now it's time to board. We were given this bag that contains a mask and sanitizer. Mask on the entire flight except when we're taking a bite or taking a sip. Touchdown, Christchurch, where we were greeted with rain showers. And the rain showers turned into heavy pouring rain. From the airport, we drove to the city for a lunch stop, coffee stop, and grocery stop. And then we're off to the next leg, Christchurch to Mount Cook Village. Road trips in New Zealand are indeed a feast for the eyes, with a view of rolling hills, well-manicured fields, perfectly lined trees, and so much more. And during the course of our drive, we saw a patch of what we initially thought were lavenders, but turned out to be lupins. So pretty even from afar that we just had to, as they say, stop and smell the roses. After we've had our lupin fix, on to our journey. We were then greeted by the beautiful LakeTekapo and its stunning blue waters. The road then led us to this view of snow-capped mountains, which means one thing: we are nearing our destination. We just had to make a couple more stops to admire the view of Lake Pukaki. And this is the last stretch before we finally have our dinner. Time check, 9:57 p.m. We are now checked in our hotel room with this magnificent view of Mount Cook. It's now time to call it a day. See you all tomorrow. Good night.